Not only humans, but animals also have many different ways to enjoy lovemaking in a way like no other. There are species that spend their whole lives lying in one place and silently cloning their species, while others can only taste the paradise of emotions once in their whole life. But anyway, these things prove that sex in the natural world is extremely interesting and can make people surprised by the sexual behaviors of animals. Let's learn about it in this video. The most unique sex animals. Did you know? Number 1. Antunus rats. They mate for 14 hours. Despite its extremely small body, this rat set the second record for mating time with 14 hours. Male mice from birth to adulthood have a very normal development process. But when it comes to the reproductive stages, they have a terrible passionate sex life. During the breeding season, they are constantly looking for females to mate with, finding as many as possible, mating up to 14 hours each time. Until near death, they continue to mate. After completing the mating process, the immune system of these males will be severely reduced, leading to hair loss, loss of vision, internal bleeding, infection, and death. Number 2. The lions. 86 times a day. Being able to make love up to 86 times a day has made the lion the most capable animal to mate in the wild. However, this does not mean that their numbers can increase rapidly. According to scientists, during the reproductive period, each pair of lions can mate 20 to 40 times a day for 4 days in a row. Even if there are many documents that have recorded that there are pairs of lions that mate up to 86 times a day. Although it is possible to have quite a few cubs, it cannot help the lions grow in numbers because the mortality rate in a lion cub is very high due to starvation, being attacked by other predators, and most often being killed by other male lions when it takes over the herd. In addition, excessive illegal hunting and increasingly narrow habitat are also the cause of a sharp decline in the lion population. Number 3. Giraffes. They taste the urine to test the mates. A giraffe is an animal with an attractive appearance, with a large body and a meter-long neck. During the breeding season, male giraffes will roam a lot in the herd in search of a suitable female giraffe to begin the breeding process with. They have a very interesting way of testing for children, and the way they do it is to nudge the female's butt to get her to urinate and taste the urine to test that. It's strange, how can they tell the difference? Which is the urine of the female who is ovulating and which is the urine of the female that has not yet ovulated? According to scientists, they have a strange tongue, which can detect a specific substance in the urine of females at the right time of reproduction. Once a suitable partner has been identified, the males will begin courting the female giraffes. By pursuing them, they will chase the female deer until the female deer agrees to have sex with them. However, the mating of giraffes is very difficult because their necks are so long they become awkward in this. Number 4. The bonobo monkey. Knows how to masturbate. If we build society based on social relationships, intimate relationships, then bonobo monkeys build their society based on sex. They seem to use sexual behaviors in every social situation in which they participate in. Sometimes they do it to greet each other, or apologize, or ask for more food sometimes, and it's used to resolve conflicts. And a very special thing about this monkey is that they are extremely romantic with the French kiss. Moreover, they can masturbate, and do it very often. Indeed, the world of this monkey always surprises us. Number 5. The clownfish. They self-transsexual. Clownfish have very colourful colours and often live in groups of pairs. There are many larger schools of clownfish, but there is not a single female. So in that case, how can they maintain the swarm? That is an interesting question. Actually, that didn't bother them at all, because clownfish are born with the ability to self-transgender. That is, when there is a need, they will be able to switch from one sex to another easily. And when such a large herd has no female, the largest male will assume the great responsibility to transform himself into the female, to sex and mate with other males to reproduce and maintain the breed for the whole herd. The division of duties is also clear without controversy at all, because it is a big fish that have the best health to take on the highest responsibility. Number 6. Dolphins. Extremely high sexual demand. And the last character in this exploration of ours is the dolphin. Dolphins are quite human-friendly animals. Moreover, they are very intelligent. Therefore, they are the center of attention in the ocean. As friendly as that, but male dolphins have extremely monstrous sex lives. Male dolphins not only have sex with female dolphins, they also have sex with other animals, even inanimate objects. According to the researchers, they have seen behavior because their needs are very high, much higher than that of other species. However, the time it takes for a dolphin to ejaculate is only 12 seconds. Dolphins' penises is also quite special compared to other species. They can be rotated and even retracted inside of the body. Nature is full of wonderful things, isn't it? Leave a comment down below to let us know how you feel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more interesting topic videos. Goodbye and see you in the next video.